Hey champs! It's always great to have an extra set of hands help you complete your tasks, but how do you find a smooth communication channel where you can delegate work with absolute ease and efficiency? Exactly, right here with Social Champ, where we let our users add team members and streamline the workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add team members to your Social Champ account. Log into your Social Champ account, and you will land on the content dashboard by default. Navigate your cursor to the left panel to find and click the team option. Here, you can see a list of all the team members added to your account. The first column displays the team member's name and their status under their names. The second column displays the workspaces the team members are added to. Hover on top of the icons to see the names or click the brackets next to the icons to view all the workspaces. You can see all the social accounts your team members can interact with in the third column. Hover on top of the icons to see the names or click the brackets next to the icons to view all the social accounts. The fourth column shows you the roles assigned to the team member. The fifth column is for actions. This allows you to edit the team member by clicking the pen icon, or delete the team member by clicking the bin icon. To make edits, click the pen icon and a pop-up window will appear. The first box shows you the name of the team member and the second box shows you the team member's email address. The third box shows the workspaces assigned to the team member. Click the box to release the drop-down menu. The tick workspaces are the ones assigned to the team member. If you would like to assign more workspaces to the selected team member, simply tick the checkbox next to the workspace names, and they will be assigned to the team member. The fourth box allows you to further modify the team member roles within the assigned workspaces. The first column displays the workspace name. The second column allows you to update the team member's role for that workspace. You have the three options: admin, editor, and author. The admin team member will be able to manage team, workspaces, profiles, recycle, auto RSS, and post count. The editor team member will be able to do everything as of admin except manage team. The author role team member can only manage posts. You can see the social accounts the team member can interact with in the third column. Click the box to release the drop-down menu. The admin and editor team members will be able to interact with all social accounts within the workspace. Permissions given to the author team member can be customized. You can select the social accounts the author can interact with by ticking the checkbox, and also opt in for post approvals for the selected social media accounts by switching the toggle on. The fourth column of actions allows you to assign the workspace if needed. Once everything looks good, you can click the save button and you're done. Great work! Now you know how to manage team members. Visit our channel to find more tutorials related to team management and a bunch of other features.